Looking ahead, Tesla's focus remains on several key strategic priorities. The company is preparing for the launch of its next-generation platform aimed at more affordable vehicle models, with global manufacturing expansion to support this initiative. Tesla expects continued strong growth in its energy storage business, with growing demand for both residential Powerwall and utility-scale Megapack products. The company plans to begin launching its Robotaxi business in 2025, opening access to new revenue streams through autonomous ride-hailing services. Tesla anticipates further developments in AI technology, including advancing FSD supervised capabilities and applications in robotics. Capital expenditures are projected to exceed $11 billion annually through 2027, reflecting the company's commitment to long-term growth and expansion. The company will continue pursuing manufacturing efficiency improvements and cost reductions to enhance profitability across all business segments. These initiatives position Tesla to maintain its leadership in the electric vehicle market while expanding into complementary businesses that leverage its technological expertise.